Hi guys, check it out. Little friend. Oh man, I have my contacts and they're not that great. You are a spider, right? I think it's a spider. Hey, hello. I was cleaning behind the window. Oh! Oh no, baby, come. I have accommodations for you. Come. Come on. Oh no, come. Come on, sweetie. Come. Hold on, guys. Back. So, here we have another friend. My gosh. Is it injured? Let me see. I can see it better on the phone. Baby, are you alright? Maybe it got wet. Anyway, shall we put you in their accommodations? Well, we have a friend here already that might have other friends, so you can go here. Come on. Go on. Go on. Okay, there we go. Yay! Enjoy your stay.